Hi comrades, let's try to look at how to change margins in your document. How can we change margins in your document? We want to look at how we can change these margins in Microsoft Office Word. Onto the Start menu, you go to all programs or all apps according to the program you're using. Then from there, you will be prompted to Microsoft Office suite, which has embedded items like Microsoft Word inside there. So when you have reached there, you will pick Microsoft Word. The version does not matter. It has the same copy and fill. Right now, having reached there, you can we had the open we had the open document, but you can as well go to new blank document, then you bring the document on board. We have now a blank document. Let's copy, let's borrow some of this information, and we copy to this. We have copied due to time. We have copied some information from another document. Then we want to use this. Now, we may have this as our document. Now we want to resize it. We want to look at how we can resize or change the margins, preferably for printing purposes. By the time you print, your document has to be well arranged. Look at the menu toolbar, then go to margins. When you have reached there, look at different margins. We can use the last custom settings. The last custom settings, like you click here, they will show. When you compare the margins here, margins are so stretched. The other side, or they are not really very stretched, but we can continue to look at normal margins. Look, when you say normal margins, now our margins, at least they can have some bit of breathing space, not like the one that we have previously checked. Still, you can as well use narrow. When you say narrow, we no longer have margins now. The margins have been stretched to the capacity. Still, we can continue to moderate. Moderate, we continue to say that here we have a little bit of space around here. So these are different ways. What is the use of margins? When I say, for instance, narrow, you will observe that we had 3 pages. Now we have 2. But right now, look here, page 2 of 2. But if I go and I use, for instance, wide margins, our pages have changed to 4 pages. You see the power of margins. So the more margins are stretched, the more limited space that you'll be having. You can as well go to custom setting. Custom setting helps you to use the dialog box. You can change. Look here, be observant here. If I change here, the margins keep going up. Are you seeing? When I say OK, we may continue to see changes. Still, if I go to custom margin and I change the bottom, if I change also the bottom, margins continue changing. If I use this to increase them or to reduce them, you will see that our margins are coming back. Our margins have been able to come back this other side, but this way they are still stretched, because if I try to type something here, they will all end here. So here our margins are a little bit more stressed. So what we can do, we can as well come back and go to custom margins, then we also increase them this other side. Now we have changed the way our work looks. Thank you.